know, say, one piece of that jackfruit, yeah. Go see what I go on here, sir. Morning. Bless up. How much for your jackfruit? See if me I'm changeable. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get one of the bag them there, please.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's here, it's truly 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And today we just make a quick little run go to Portmore Mall. As you can see, we just passed Price Smart. Yeah. And we're gonna make a quick little run, go out of the mall. Yeah, so actually me I look some plan for buy, and sometime there is a lady, I think, or a person that comes out close to the mall right there, so right. So I'm just gonna try my luck and see if I see this person and see if them out there. Taxi man behind me, I make be nice for no reason at all. Be nice. So yeah, I'm gonna try my luck and see if I see this person. And see check the cost. Yeah, so basically want to check the cost for the plan then. Alright, yeah, I look some palm and thing for buy. You get me? So this not gonna be a long drive, people. A really short one. Alright, very short one. It's Saturday morning right now, yeah, cause it's not 12 o'clock yet. Yeah, so Saturday morning. So yeah, it's a Saturday morning, so we're gonna we're just gonna try to get the thing in. Yeah, sorry for sound distracted. Alright, my people, so watch your pre now. So we are experiencing a little bit of rainfall in the Portmore area, yeah. You understand? And normally rain fall in a Portmore, you know, people. I'm telling you, when the rain fall in a Portmore, it fall everywhere in the universe. So I know say right now, when rain fall over here, everybody will watch this, they get little rain too. Yeah, man, Portmore boy, I better know the place dry more while and you know, hot. Yeah. Some of us want to take the time out to big up all of the new subscribers, them all of the loyal subscribers, them all of the people them who are watching, the people them who drop them comment and everybody. You get what me I say? Yeah, man. Yo, Sir Colin, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. You and the wife as usual. You get what me I say? And the friend them, what do you, Sir Colin, let me know say yo, you know. Everybody sit down and tune in and watch the thing, you know what I mean? So bless up on yourself, man. You know the thing go, man. You see me? I know UK cool at times, you know. So I like to bring on the warm sunshine and thing, you know. Even though today they're too sunny, but yeah. I like to bring on it, see me. You see me? Over on my right hand side, that's how is a fairly new plaza, them call it Sovereign Village. So they know Sovereign where they are town up a Liganese side are pretty much the same concept over here. So I'm not sure if it's the same owner, maybe it is, you know. Yeah, because them boys have money, you know. All can do what them want. Yeah. You see me? Further down beside it, there's no perimeter fence to separate them, but it's another mall or another plaza. It's called Sunshine Outlet Mall. Yeah, on the right hand side, same way. Have a really nice movie theater over there. I've never been in there though, but me say really nice. You see me? Yeah. Decent mall and something. Right beside right now at the Portmore tax office. You understand? Open on Saturday too, so you see me? Whole heap of little thing. You see all mountain? Hey, you want to come here and see? Make all the mountain drop on a Saturday. And you see what go on the first of the month this up on a Saturday. I want to see what take place over here. So, because I say, I'm the only one me know open on a Saturday. Maybe there are others in other part of the island still, I don't know, but them side here, it's alone me know, you see me? Yeah. So yeah, we're in our next look here now called Portmore Pines. It's a Pines Plaza from a right hand side and Portmore Pines community. Yeah, so the housing scheme over here so named Portmore Pines from the left hand side, you know? Then if the camera pick it up, but if you look to the left you can see housing trust sign and everything. Yeah, because you know Portmore mostly housing trust. You know, if you did buy your house when them just did build, you know, mostly housing trust people go through. You know? Yeah. So it's set up. So today, as I say, I make a quick little check. Just want to go there so go see if I see the person. Tell the truth, the people they're not out there every time. It's like, you know, no one did my pass, I see them. So I say I gotta just go look. Because I go somewhere, you know, I go in the opposite direction me I go. When I go in the opposite direction, but I don't know if by the time I come back, if them did for out there, them would have probably pack up by the time I come back. So I say let me just, you know, run go just go check to see if I see them and thing. You get me? Now we approach Newland stoplight. Yeah, we're in a Newland vicinity right now. On the left hand side, you know you'll find Newland community. The road they will run from left to right, a Newland road, you get me? Yeah. Yeah man, so people, even though we don't have the best of weather right now, trust me, the day are nice. I tell you the truth. Cause you know the breeze a blow cool. Yeah, cooler than usual. You get me? And as you know, Portmore tend to be windy more while, so yeah. The breeze cool people, but I'm not telling you a lie. You understand? Yeah man. Breeze cool and thing and the place still nice. The weekend still look beautiful. You understand? Yeah, as long as there's life, everything is nice. You understand? Yeah. We just have to just go and jump them little hurdles or whatever pop up and go and do a thing, don't it? Yeah. I'm full joy with self same time, dog. I will not stress out, you know. You must be mad. I will come here and see stress. You must be mad. You won't be stressed, but you're crazy, man. So yeah, right now we're in the South Bar vicinity. It's a South Bar roundabout. And you saw out there on, you know, they normally call it a section. That whole from when I start to when I go here now, normally call it 20 route. Why? Because the bus we run on the route is the number 20. So them just call it the 20 route. You get what I say? Yeah. Yeah man. That's how it's set up, people. Yeah, so again I say shout out to the subscriber them I don't know. Whole heap of loyal people. We have people up in a Kissimmee in Florida there. I watch. You don't know. You see me? Bronco the general and the family, you know you think of. Keddy, big up yourself, you understand? Yeah man. Yeah. We have other people too, because we have people in South Florida. Yeah, you get what I say? Yeah. We have people in Miramar. We have people in Miami. We have people all over in Florida. You see what I say? Yeah. A whole heap of people, man, I watch a thing, man. A whole heap of people I watch a thing. The Jamaican people, them. Hey, when we check my analytics, I will look which part Jamaica standing on the thing, you know. Them they're strong in the second place, you know. Yeah, my content is mostly viewed. The Jamaicans, them the second up on my most which geography mostly view my thing. Yeah, the Jamaica them strong up in a second and a couple months well now, so the people in my yard. You understand? Yeah, when they up on the rock like myself, yeah. You understand? I face the struggle every day. You see me? Yeah, man, we're there, man. Now complain. You see me? We just do what we have to do and go through. Make two ends meet, though. Yeah, because we don't come boy here for suffer. Come boy here for do a thing and go through. You see me? So, yeah. And people do remember, I have a couple other channels. You get what I say? Me about to get them off the ground. You see what I say? And the aim, get it to 1,000 subs so we can earn some money over there so to do. Yeah, a couple of the channels. I have a podcast channel, I have a real estate channel, I have a vlog channel, where me just feel I go. So if you want to see one other side of me where me just out there, just I do my thing, you can try out for them channel. You get what me I say? So here we go on now. If you really and truly go up on my channel and go up on the about section, you will see, not the about section, sorry, the part where say videos, or the part where say home, sorry, the part where say home, my people. Right? Once you go up on it, you can scroll and you will see a couple of other channels. But watch it pre, I make it easy for you. So once you type in 876 by birth, any channel, any YouTube channel where you see come up, are mine. I'm me responsible for it. You understand? So as I say, I have a real estate channel, right? Everything to do with real estate, from construction to viewing of properties, everything real estate, people. Depend that. Here we go on. And that's the intro alone over there right now, you know. See? But currently as we speak, I create content for it. I create content and I have some right now where I edit. You understand? Yes, so I edit some right now. So soon and very soon that I got up around. So if you're interested in anything to do with real estate in Jamaica, best believe. And they say you need to go. And we're going to go international with it too. Best believe it. You understand? So subscribe to it from now. Zin? I think that one name real estate with 876 by birth. I think we have a red and white house on the picture. Thingy here for the logo. Yeah, something like that. So feel free to check it out, man. You understand? Yeah. Feel free to check it out. You get me? I have a podcast. You understand? I have a podcast channel as well. As I say, once it's a 876 by birth, I'm me responsible for it. I have the vlog channel. It's called Raban Jamaican. Yeah, Raban Jamaican 876 by birth. That's the vlog channel. Feel free to check it out. The people them supposed to be around a corner here, but me a glimpse and I see them say it look like them not there. Well, them there, but so here the thing now, I not even know if I them this. Because normally I want white van me see park up, but sometimes I see that blue van here. I don't know, me I telling you the truth, I don't know. And I don't think of them. Yeah, general, before police come give me a ticket. Yes, fireman. I'm there, man, before the police them come stop me. I just realized too, you know, them there, are you them there?
Yeah.
What the cost? No.
Small one, I'm
Alright. You have a phone number? Hold on. 787 4371. Alright, 787 4371. Nick. Alright, I'll put Nick Plant. Yeah. Alright, so are you out there with the white van to sometime? Or somebody different? No, right? That's the same way, man.
white van.
Yes, man. When you know there's somebody else there, man, it's a competition. Eh? No, weekend. Yeah. Oh. White van there more wild, man. Me I tell you. Well, you know come every Saturday. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. 12 bills sound good still. A greenhouse you grow them in a. Boy them green cause normally you know the leaf them ever have a little tip of the yellow and the brownish and yeah. Alright. I'm gonna show it to you. 12 bills. Kinda interested in a small one then. Probably grab it. Alright, I'm gonna show it, you here? Yeah, my respect, my boss. Yeah. If I want it all during the week, I can show it and pick it up from you. Or you know base over the side here. Okay, alright, no problem, my boss. Respect. Yeah, that's easy the way having the what price range. You have no more? Alright, bless up. Alright people, there you have it. So check out what I go on and hear what I go on. I don't hear what I go on to see. The rest of them tell me say no other van there. But do a foolishness if I tell me still, you know. A foolishness if I tell me people because me know say him not there every week and one white van part there. when that they want white van. As you hear me that approach, but I tell you sometimes it's a white van. So I don't know what tell me say still. See it? Yeah. But anyways, my people. What me that say? Yeah, the channel them people. Me I say, I'm gonna preach some out and see what I go on. The aim as me tell you say I forget to 1,000 subs. That's what me I say. Yeah man, that are the pre right now, man. That are the pre people, you see me? Yeah man. That are the pre. That's the man, them and ruling, you know, people. Yeah, but when I say nothing, because I just stop right there, so I never need to stop to, so. I bash them today. Yeah, my people, so these are the Portmore Mall, as I can say. Kingston Fowl Cub, otherwise called Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah. Them say are the best tasting KFC this in the world, you know, Jamaican KFC, you know. Yeah, no, it's talked about people. I watch a Canadian morning program. Wait name, I don't remember what name, but you know like how you have most people that you know the morning show that will come up on the TV network them. Like I think America have one of them called the Today Show. You know the morning somebody, yeah. I don't remember what the Canadian one called. Canada people them Rika wanna tell me about it if you don't know, but I watch that and see it. I watch that and see it pan it. You understand? Yeah, I watch that and see the KFC was talking. Them a talk about the KFC people. I say, yo, the best tasting KFC in the world. Jamaican KFC, you see me? Chat to me in the comment section, let me know if you agree or you disagree with that. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. People, and as me telling you, this was a short drive, you know, so right now, you get me? Me know. We're gonna end it very, very shortly right now. We're gonna end it very, very shortly. Because I say I'm on my way. I'm gonna link up with somebody and thing. Try get something for start. As a matter of fact, I some real estate thing too. Yeah, and we will be creating content. So go over the real estate channel, man, and subscribe. When the video them done, you see the real estate channel is there as well. Yeah, it's there. I think it's there too. Yeah, man. When it's done, it come up as a link. So once you press the up button, if you watch like on a TV or something, you can get to select it. Or on your phone or so, you know you can just click on it. And it will take you over to the channel, people. I'm gonna go over there, go like, share, and subscribe over there too, man. Do the maths so I do over here. So do it over there too. You get what I say? Yeah, so I can, you know, get the thing where it need for there. And then I start really putting, because we're gonna go full time with the YouTube thing right now, you know, people. Yeah, man, we're gonna go full time with the YouTube thing, people. Trust me. You know? Yeah. So shout out to the people them again. You understand? Sir Colin, as me say, big up yourself, you know, my G. Yeah, Sir Colin shot me one little super thanks for the year, you know. Yeah, British pound. British pound, yeah, you see what I say? So big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Colin Smith, the general, you know, big up yourself. I'm really and truly grateful. People, when they hear me, I say them something, and I just, no hype up thing or no. I'm really grateful. You get what I say? For somebody, trust me, for somebody like watching the video is already, you know, doing a lot. Because sometimes I post out some long ass content. And so watching it, I'm grateful for that once you watch it. You get what I say? Whereas you take the time out and go comment, I'm grateful too. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm grateful too, man. So when you go sit down now, and you go, hold on, let me get a call, people. Hold on. Yeah, Andy. Alright, which way you want me for meet? Which way you want me meet up? Yeah. That in front of which part Bashko there? Yeah, near the bus park. Yeah. Alright, when me reach, yeah man, so when me reach nearby there, so I'm gonna shout you. Like when me reach probably like about the top of March Penny Road, I shout you. Alright, yeah man, cool. Alright, yeah. Cool, yeah. Yeah, people. So that actually the person who I'm going to link up with. As I say, we're going to do up some maths. So let's go subscribe over the channel so you can see everything going on, man. Now I tell you, man, I want to show you. You understand? Yeah. So anyways, Me I say, yeah, and then a hype up thing, man. When me tell you say me appreciate you, I'm really grateful. Me I tell you no people. You get what me I say? Yeah, man. Me I tell you, and me I tell nobody fi give me no. As a matter of fact, me not tell you fi give me no money. You get what me I say? But we all know YouTube work. We know the ways where people can contribute to your channel and all of them things there. You get me? I mean, I come here for put no something there. Now come here put no figure and tell nobody what to do and whatever. You want me to sit here? You see if you can give me 50 cents, me appreciate it. If you can give me $1, me appreciate it. You get what me I say? If you can give me £1, whatever you can do, whatever you feel for do, me appreciate it. And as me say, me nah try for Ray and whatever. I'm grateful. Cause as me say, I give nobody nothing for put on. I give nobody nothing for put on, you know, especially people they are foreign work hard in some extreme temperatures. You know the thing go already foreign people, or you have to endure some things. Some of you endure even worse than that, and the temperature alone I give you no problem. You know the thing go when you're there in a people country, some little things you have to go through. You understand? So yeah, some of us say, yo, big up on yourself. And the youth really and truly grateful feet. Yeah, man. And I'm a joking thing, people. I appreciate it. You get what I say? Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man. So right about now, where they at intersections, you can see it's supporting this road. So to my left, carry around a back road. You don't know back road? Yeah, around the side carry go. You get what I say? Yeah, right around the side carry go. And to my right, carry me go round in a greater Portmore them place there. You understand? Yeah, man. The route here them refer to it as the 17 route. Cause the number 17 bus run for it. Yeah. I sat them morning, you know. And out there say apple like a little market something go on. Yeah, people come out, come do them things. I go now and drive through around there. I don't know how much people come out today because they say the weather not too nice. So I don't know if nobody come out. But I go now and drive through and make you see what I talk about. The people them probably come buy a piece of man. Everything a piece of if you go, you know, Saturday soup there Jamaica, you know. Yeah, so the people them forward for come catch two little piece of something. And at 12 o'clock you know they normally out for early, you know. But I could see what going up there. Yeah, so I go slow, you know, see? So people just come from a lot of places, country and them place there. And them come grab them thing. I'm also phone case and them thing there from my left. Yeah. So the car them park up a people, you know. Probably park up and just I look some thing a plaza I put in this plaza there on my left hand side. So people do them thing. On the right I say have a man have him egg and thing. Person and sell clothes. Well, you could hustle something and go on out there, so you get what I say? Yeah, man, people are take them and turn them and make fashion, you know? As we say at Jamaica, yeah. So now, whole heap of something now go on, but the food vendor them out as you can see. Yeah. People are buy a girl, you have a jelly coconut, they don't know, you look on the left, you look on the right. You see what go on, people? You see what go on? Yeah, man, look at hustle go on, as I say. People them come from out of the country, come. Sell them produce. You get what I say? You can't sit down and wait for government to do it for you. You have to do it for yourself, don't it? Yeah. Yeah, man. So there, just a show you that will go on and thing, alright? So you see exactly how it's set up. So yeah, man, people now about for shampoo now, you know. Yeah, I have to go catch a person because them they are wait for me. If a jelly man up on the left hand side too. Yeah. So yeah, man, I'm about to go catch a person because as I said them are wait for me. So big up on yourself as I say your new subscribers. Big up on yourself at 876 by birth. And the type of vibe you do over here so all the time. One little chill, relax something. You understand? Yeah, man, and sometimes I drive go we a country too and me just chat the whole of the journey and you want to see what I go on to see. Yeah, you know, say, one piece of that jackfruit, yeah. Go see what I go on here, sir. Morning. Bless up. How much for your jackfruit? See if me change it. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get one of the bag them there, please. One more. You can change 5,000? Alright. Alright, give me one then. Would I buy the two but you don't have the change, so give me one. No man, I don't have it man, serious. Thanks very much, eh? Yeah. People them have jackfruit and berry. Only a little thing they have, you know. Yeah. I love jackfruit, you know, people. Yeah, I love jackfruit. Hold on, I say I done the video, man. I'm just have one. Yo, I love the company, man. You see me? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna take it right this down. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you the jackfruit. I'm gonna start eating it, you know, so I'm gonna show you it right now, you know. Right, it like change. Hold on, I'm so showing it. You know, like the upper so it's the pan red, so maybe I'm gonna turn green by the time I go up. Yeah, the pan green. But people, I love jackfruit and the berry with them, I love it too. But she that some tell her say give me one bag, she say, what you want two? You see me would buy the two, but I only have 5 grams. I don't have no change. The change are the only change me have. It's about 350 me have in my wallet. With some 5 grand, so you get me? I don't have no change. So that's why I couldn't really hold it still. You see it, but I like it, man. Nah, I tell a lie, I love the jackfruit. Yeah, man. Love it, people. I'm sure I want to go and taxi man at his best again. Hardy there. Yeah, Hardy, my dream car that, you know, people. Yeah, Hardy and Benz. Them two, them I love, you know? Yeah. Alright, I go there in a little traffic now. Turn around this. So, see jackfruit the people. Don't watch, that is a mask beside that. Yeah. But that I eat in your back, you know? Yeah, man, I love jackfruit, but we last to get piece of jackfruit, people. We last to have piece of jackfruit. Eh? We last. Yeah, man, I eat that, man. You see me? Yeah. So, I'm about to enjoy it, you know. Of course, you know, I'm about to enjoy this jackfruit. I'm going to eat for all I would, man. Don't worry about yourself, man. I call you the name. Every time I taste piece, I call you the name. So, I chew, I call her name. And then when I swallow, I call her next name. See? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Peter Johnson, big up yourself as well too, you know, my boss. Bless up, you know. We have some of your video them coming, you know. Yeah, man. No joke about it, man. We have some of your style of video coming. You get me? Yeah, my people. Some of the people, them like, you know, them don't really dig the commentary. Them just want to see the place and hear some nice little music and, you know, the little tag when I tag it up in the left hand corner there, so you don't know, them just like enjoy that. You get what I say? So, we have some of them videos they're coming to. Probably not going to be for everybody, but yeah, and as some started out to a thing, so yeah, yes, when I say I can't go wrong. So yeah, man, my people. So bless up on yourself, man. So bless up on yourself, yeah. When you see the jackfruit, so bless up on yourself. We're in a traffic, you know. I know you don't want to see this. Wow, we're gonna make a way go out to Brayton Road, then we're going to Spanish Town in Zane. If we go through the stoplight down there and it good, might just run the video gas. I'm if you bring on a gas Spanish Town with me. Yo, I'm bringing up a Spanish Town with me, yeah, man. I'm bringing up a Spanish Town. Nice paint town. When I hear me, I clap my mouth. I'm going to eat my jackfruit with you. Bring on a gas Spanish Town with me. John, I get to it, man. Come start the video, I'm telling you something. I just run to Portmore Mall, man. And look how you go on. Look how go on. Look how go on. Man, I can't wait. I'm going to fly over them car. People jackfruit sweet. Sweet. Yeah. So I want to subscribe to them. Yeah, I want to subscribe to them. Especially the one them where they are foreign and can't get no jackfruit. Yeah. One of them can't get the real Jamaican fruits them. Yeah, because I don't love jackfruit, I don't love sour sap. I don't love East Indian mango. People don't know what I love. I don't can't get. Yeah man, after this after Una, yeah? Big up on yourself. Me enjoy it man, it's sweet and nice. Go through the amber lighter people. I think so me that go and bad one taxi follow me too. Yeah people. Jackfruit, sweet man. One of my favorite fruit this people, jackfruit. So what's up on them thing that too, I like it. I'm my favorite fruit. Gooseberry is my favorite, one of my favorite fruit too. And East Indian is my favorite mango. So me see so what's up for up to $7 a pound in a New York City. You get me? So I know the struggle. I know what I got through. I know what I got through people. $7 a pound. I mean man, no we a pound. We over a pound. I know what I got through. When you come to Jamaica, I want to just eat up the fruits, you see me? Yeah. Eat up the fruits and people. And just enjoy them, you get me? Yeah. And if you don't come, and then a mango time, or any fruits wanna come, if you another time there, and it a blossom, you just wrap up the blossom in a paper and carry go home. By the time you reach up and so it to ripe. Yeah, got me say wrap up the blossom in a paper, by the time you reach up, couple weeks after I see start ripe up. Yeah man. Man behind me I drive like a taxi. If me to push out like. I don't even can't see the traffic in front of me. I come on overtake. People sorry you know, but me I eat the food. You get me I eat the jackfruit so yeah. Just open up bite my tongue. Oh, when you're young, them say, you don't have to eat and talk. So, this is a Brayton Road, people. On the left hand side, I have all Brayton community, you get me? Yeah. On the right hand side, I have regular Portmore scheme. I think 7 East. Yeah. No, 2 now, 1 not. This is a scheme I know was 7 East. That's on my left here, so yeah. Sorry about that. And then on the right, this you know, you have Ascot High School. Watch it, gas man. Overtake. Big truck. So a gas van there, you just see it do delivery. So when people cylinder done, we call them and them deliver it. There's another one I go pass on the right side. You see that go up the road there. Deliver them though. You know there Jamaica your gas done a car. Yeah. You buy a £25 or you buy a £100 or £30. Get me? Yeah. So we're about to go around from Dunbeholden Road now. We're going to take away in a Spanish town, alright? Yeah. Man, the man determined for passing, man. Every minute the man a push out. I'm gonna drive on the right hand side, people. The car them a come in and go in back. You need to chill. And just wait. Alright, so see truck gone there. The man they can overtake now. Stone. Now we're in there. Okay, them turn off. I'm gonna see him. Turn off, people. We're not going to suffer. Some people just can't wait still, so I'm going near and far, man. He just wanted to get there right now. Alright, people. Don't eat the jackfruit. Jackfruit, people. So yeah, journey continues. So I said this a Dunbeholden road. So on the right hand side, them are gonna start build house and all sort of thing are gonna go on over there, you know. Yeah man, a whole heap of land space. You have a whole heap of, I think right now you must have about 3 different developers over there right now. Yeah, one of them, I think Carbon Estate 2. The name must Ridge Estate or something like so, because in the name Carbon Estate 2 again. But are the same people them basically are when they build Carbon Estate. Or it was supposed to be named Carbon Estate too. Let me say that, yeah. That go over the right hand side there, some people. As a matter of fact, it start bill already. They say they must have started at about 26 million. The unit they must start. So you know say, oh, it's me money for you up. Yeah. And you have another developer over there where I go build about Carbon Estate 2. Or Ridge Estate, I think it name, I'm not sure, but that almost 600 units. The next developer were over there, one of the other developers them, I think them are going to build 2,500 units over there, and them are going to gate up every 500 units. So, it's going to be like a gated community within a gated community. If you're familiar with Carbon Estate, you would have know exactly where I talk. Each block, or there's a certain amount of houses where them gate off this up. So me will live. So let's just say I want to call it phase then or whatever. So let's just say me live. You have a house and me have a house over there. You in a phase 1, me in a phase 2. You in a phase 1, me in a phase 2. Me something there. Me gate off. Them gate off each phase. So when you over phase 1. You can't come over phase 2 unless me definitely invite you. You'll be like a total stranger. Same way. You see me, and I have access to it. So, I saw them plan to do it, people. So, it's supposed to be nice and well secured. You get me? Yeah. And over on my left hand side, when I go up a little more, you can see it. Yeah. St. Catherine Estates. Some little 1 bedroom them give, and I think some duplex and some studio over there. Yeah, barely can see, you can't really see good still, but you know, the lot size them here over there nice. The unit them small, like really small. You know, like how Portmore house them did stay when them just a bill and people I say them a matches box or something like that, you get me? But I'm telling the people, don't be fooled, yeah? I'm pretty sure all I wanna look, I not say all I wanna want to live at Portmore, you know. Because you have people who don't like Portmore. But I'm pretty sure enough of who say, yo, Jano, you know, I should have tried off one of them Portmore house there. Because when see how the people them can build them up nice and something to you see me? Good look at start a house too. People them buy them Portmore house right now, the house them value millions. So they can go do one thing and you know, if you want to sell it back and go buy a house somewhere else now and gated community, a good investment, a good returns that upon them investment, you get me? So yeah people. So over there are the same thing. Unit small but the lot size big, you get me? Yeah man, big lot size people. Yeah. Big lot size, you know? So it things set up. Come out of the road. Yeah, we're about to approach Spanish Town bypass and now we see how the traffic stay upon it. I go up in the town, you know, people. I don't bother even try the bypass in there because sometimes it don't make no sense. Yeah, I see my green light here. Alright, so I have emergency. Don't know, maybe pregnant somebody night. Because Spanish Town Hospital is right around the side there. So maybe pregnant person day night, you know? Yeah. Alright, so Kala Road a school road. From De La Vega City upon it. Just pass on here. Oliver School, Jonathan Grant. Oliver School, Jonathan Grant High School. Yeah. Top school that when it come to something there, you know, people. When it come to football Manning Cup. Yeah. Top school. Alright, so we're going to chat it in the town. We're going to take a left up here now. Go up on Bergs Road. Come mama. Alright, mama now cross. Alright, so why me take it as a people? You will find traffic you say, you know, but it's not as much as it don't move so slow like on the bypass. And the bypass is supposed to have bypass traffic and bypass all of these things. You get me? And me not see that I go on. You understand? Yeah, me not see that go. What kind of hole is then the road and just all the way never the paved but still, you know, we didn't know this. Yeah people, this move way faster than if we did around this, so I tell you. I would reach down and say this is a March Pen Road, the next stoplight. I would reach this all now. Nowhere near it. I understand. Yeah. So I'm about to go straight. So welcome to the town of Spanish Town. We need to go mall and we end up at Spanish Town. You see it go? Yeah. We don't see how it end up. Yeah. Alright, so Andy the right down there, so close by. Call him back, I don't know where they have to stop me that, you know. Then me have to know what I do too because you can't use no phone again, you know, people. Yeah. Can't use no phone again. Get big charge, you know. Really have to equip with Bluetooth. Sorry, go on, my friend. That man, Andy. Yeah, man, me dey on the stretcher so now, approach, so you can just. I look at police down there, because more time them auntie, you know. Alright, walk on my edge of the road. Grey color car. Yeah, walk on my. Eh? No, man, just on the roadside, me attack, man. Don't you mean you could stand up in the shade there, so I say just come on the roadside, because me basically reach it now. Oh. Alright. Alright, people, so 876 by Bert and I'm out, you know, I pick up your dads. So remember to like, share and subscribe, yeah? Man up on yourself, I'm out. Yeah, dude.
You're there.
Yeah, man. I said reach on this a while ago and the amount of traffic I wouldn't reach us yet. But that's how I just got through the town this. So. I gotta do the same thing down here so to go through the little lane and come in around this. So I'm gonna see you up there. Yeah, man, traffic there. Okay, so let's take it as a. Eh? Oh, no, because when they showed me the first time when they say they are flat bridge, you know, Portmore is still there. Yeah, Portmore is still there. From Linstead. Oh. Yeah, here we go on. I bus me not gonna take go down there, you know, or taxi or something, you know, but it's true me I remember say the rain something, yeah. I said I don't want to go down there and rain. Yeah. So I say no, huh? Just drive. Alright, what check one? Because remember, I especially Portmore when you really get the rain, you know. You hard to get back out. I see some people I say from Wednesday rain and far, but we didn't get the rain Wednesday. And then Thursday no afternoon and when the rain actually start fall. Go down in the night part or something. Then Friday we wake up.
Wednesday we get some.
Yeah. Friday we wake up the place dry, brother, the sky blue, sun hot. I say wait. And then down in the night part again now. Yeah. A little thing going on. I feel like it'll probably fall later again too.
They still get to go to the same way, but the drive no feed me full. I go to feed them brown. Thing brown, turn brown, man. All them places are green.
Jano, of the hot.
No water. You have to buy water for the animal.
Yo, all that a foolishness in the car, watch out. Jamaica have so much river, brother. Even big real Kobe with flat beach. I never see that stop running yet.
I'm a bad one. Water going start it.
Man, they need to invest in the thing, them man, and stop the foolishness, brother. You shouldn't have no drought at Jamaica. Watch your race alone. Watch your race a Spanish for 8 rivers, you know. And that it mean, you know. Yeah, 8 rivers, and that watch your race mean. You see me? Watch your race, watch your 8. And Rio, Rios, and rivers, 8 rivers. You see me? So, we shouldn't somebody.
No, I'm not talking about water, Joe. That's foolishness.
Foolishness, brother.
I'm talking about gold and water. If I run on a pool.
Ways around there, you whole heap of river, and if you go to some people yard, them backyard, them full of river.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching. And I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.